Basic logic gate types: OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, XOR gate. OR gate, a digital logic gate known as OR gate, outputs a 1 if any of its inputs are 1, otherwise a 0. A light is supplied by two switches operating in parallel through an OR gate. So when either switch is closed, the light is on. AND gate. A circuit is an electronic device that combines two signals and turns them on when both signals are present. The base driver, which is attached to the bases of transistors, and alternately switches are transistors at the inverter's opposite corners, receives the output of a AND gate. NOT gate. A circuit in an electronic device that converts the input to the opposite at the output. Another name for it is an inverter. The inverted output is referred to as NOT a if the input variable is a. Moreover, this is displayed as A or A with a bar on top as seen at the outputs. XOR gate, used to determine whether a binary number has an odd or even number of ones or its parity. A parity bit is a result of the XOR function, which is 1 if number of ones is odd and 0 if the number of ones is even. Purpose of different types of computer networks. Types of computer networks: LAN, WAN, MAN, local area network, wireless local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network, personal area network, storage area network, campus area network, virtual private networks. Local area network allows for the sharing of data, files, and resources between computers over relatively short distance. A LAN, for instance, might link all the computers in an office building, a school, or medical facility. LANs are typically controlled and owned privately. Wireless local area network. A wireless network that enables the creation of small-scale local area network between two or more linked devices. WLAN all allow users to work and move across the network's coverage areas such as a campus, office, building, home, or school. Wide area network. A wide area network or WAN connects computers across a large area, such as from one region to another, even from one continent to another. The largest WAN, which connects billions of computers globally, is the Internet. For WAN administration, you will often encounter collaborative or dispersed ownership structures. Metropolitan area network, a computer network that links computers in a metropolitan region, which can be any sizable area with numerous buildings and can be made up of single large metropolis, several smaller cities and towns, or any combination of these. The size of MAN is more than that of LAN but less than that of WAN. Personal area network. Electronic devices in a user local vicinity are connected by a personal area network. A PAN can be anywhere in size from a few centimeters and few meters. The link between a Bluetooth earpiece and a smartphone is one of the most typical real-world instance is PAN. Storage area network, a specialized network that provides access to block level storage, shared network or cloud storage that to the user looks and works like storage drive that's physically attached to the computer. Campus area network, a computer network that only covers a small region. CANs connect various local area networks LAN on a campus used for business or education. Most CANs have public internet connections. Virtual private network refers to the possibility of creating secure network connection when you utilize public networks. VPNs mask your online identity and encrypt your internet activity. This makes it more challenging for outside parties to monitor your internet activities and steal data. The hardware, software, and transmission media used in computer networks. Components of computer networks include both the hardware and the software needed to set up networks at homes and in businesses. The server, client, peer, transmission media, and connecting devices are the physical components. The operating system and protocols make up of the software. Basic computer network components: servers, client, router, switch, PC, Ethernet cable. Server. Computer called server stored shared data, applications and network operating system. All network users have access to network resources through servers. One server can do numerous tasks and there are many different types of servers. Including, to name a few, file servers, print servers, mail servers, communication servers, database servers, fax servers, and web servers. Servers are robust computers that connect to resources that are shared by network users and store data applications. They are occasionally referred to as hosts. Client. Client are computers systems that connect to the utilized shared network resources when they make requests for and receive services from the servers. Client computers can be true of as the users of consumers of the network. Nowadays, a client is typically a personal computer that the user also use for their own off-network applications. Router. The router is the additional requirement used to link a local area network. with internet connection. When discussing computer network components, we utilize a router when we have two separate networks or when we want to link many PCs to one internet connection. Modern routers frequently comes with a switch that can also utilized as a switch. It's not necessary to purchase both a switch, a router, especially if you are setting up networks for your home and small businesses. Routers come in wired and wireless variant. Your physical workplace or home environment, timeliness, and cost all influences your discussion. Switch. A piece of communication equipment that makes up a computer network. Switch is similar to a hub but includes more sophisticated functionality. In order to deliver messages to the correct location or port, it employs physical device addresses in each incoming message. Unlike a hub, a switch verifies which system or port the message should be sent to before sending it, rather than broadcasting the message to the whole network as a hub does. In other words, a switch directly connects the source and destination, boosting network speed. Switch and hub share the following characteristics: RJ45 port is abundance, a power supply, and connection lights. PC, networked computing system that can share resources and communicate data. These network devices transmit data through wireless or physical technologies, use a set of guidelines known as communication protocols. Here are some frequently asked questions about computer networking. Hub, a component that divides a network connecting among several machines, it resembling a distribution hub. A computer makes a request to hub via a connection whenever it needs information from a network or a particular machine. The request will be received by the hub and sent throughout the whole network. Then each machine is in the network should determine whether or not the broadcast data relevant to them. Range of worldwide web technologies. Web servers house all the website's data. A website takes up space on a server and it's kept there. Just like someone rent a home, even time a user requests one of the website's web page, the server hosts it, and the website's owner is responsible for paying the hosting fee. The www being to function as soon as you open a browser and enter a URL in the address bar or do a Google search. Information is transferred from server to clients using three major technologies. The three main technologies of information transfer are follows: hypertext markup language, hypertext transfer protocol,